Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. First of all, we gotta launch the TikTok app and you wanna make sure that you copy your actual username. Currently it's copied. Then you gotta go back on Facebook. You wanna click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, you're gonna be sent to your account. When you're on your account, you will see that you have the three dots option as a button on the menu. You click on it and then you want to click on edit. When you click on edit, you want to scroll all the way down to the last section, which is links. You want to click edit your about you section and you want to edit more links. The first option is that you are actually able to add social links. This is the place where it says username. You simply paste the link that you copy or your username that you copy from TikTok. After that, all you gotta do is to save the changes on the way up. For example, there is a save on the top right corner. And then you can go back up and this will appear in your bio alongside any other social media account that you linked with. Remember, you have to copy the exact username that you have and you have to save the changes. Subscribe and come back for more.